Hello, my name is Jorge Calabria, and in this video I will present my project for a remote-controlled fish food dispenser. Here's the 3D model for the dispenser. It consists of 4 different pieces. In this next clip, we'll dissolve away the outer piece which holds the material to be dispensed, and you can see a rotating wheel and also the red scraper piece that is dissolved away as well. The rotating wheel rotates, exposing a hole where material can be dispensed. The control logic can be depicted by this block diagram. An infrared remote will send a signal to the infrared sensor, which will tell the Arduino to move the stepper motor a certain predetermined number of steps. The amount of food dispensed will be displayed on the LCD screen. In this next clip, I'm going to demonstrate the operation of the device using food for betta fish. I'm going to pour these pellets into the device reservoir, and I'm only going to pour enough just to fill each hole. Each hole is relatively the size of one daily serving of these pellets for the betta fish. So now I'll use the infrared remote to press the 1 button, which is programmed to rotate the stepper motor a certain number of steps, which is more or less 1 serving of the pellets. So the stepper motor will rotate. Buttons 1, 2, and 3 are programmed on the remote. Also the negative sign button, which is used to go in the reverse direction in case there's a jam. Within the code for the stepper motor, I wrote in the activation of 2 pins at key points, so in order to double the electromagnetic force, therefore doubling the torque of the wheel, hopefully reducing the amount of jams. So now I'll push the 2 button and the stepper motor will rotate the wheel twice the distance that it rotated when the 1 button is pressed. So this allows, as you can see, food that's contained within the holes is sliding under the scraper piece, and as it comes out it's completely empty. So the scraper piece also works to push any food that hasn't been into the hole, as you can see is happening there. So it's pretty effective. Here I'll lift up the device. You can see the food that's dispensed below, and also here on the side is where the infrared sensor receives the signal. And there's the top view of the device. The LCD screen still reading the last command. I'll push the 3 button just to kind of purge all the holes. This allows the disc to rotate a long time. And that's the basic operation of the device. So here we see a lot more food in the reservoir, and the device is placed above my betta fish's enclosure. And now I'm going to use the device to actually dispense his food into the enclosure. After fixing some jams, I managed to get some food to fall into his enclosure, and he's actually going for it. And there we go.